Regenerating and redefining the indigenous cuisine in modern world is as important as preserving its ingredient. Keeping in tandem with this objective, Popa Restaurant, in collaboration with Manipur Tourism Department, organized SheChef cooking competition during the state-level Shiri Lili Festival in Ukhrul district of Manipur. Curated by Shangrai Won Multao and moderated by Thaimila Marjang, 6 contestants participated at a competition themed Redefining Indigenous Cuisine at Vangayan Crown, located at the foothills of Shiri Peak.
2017 hili Shiroi Lili Festival hili SheChef cooking competition hi itumna sapoke laga second season pali version oping we wang mang chilaga beti bachao beti parao with theme li shinau na da manage ka sa team kala contestant la shinau ping mang chilaga itumna cooking competition hi organize sai cooking competition hi how go po way na season 1 way na itumna contestant ping hili indigenous ingredients sijin laga kahang hi encourage ka sane atumna ayar way na lasing laga mahang pai mane chene itumna ingredients more than 140 itumna pantry li la hai mi kala visitors ping wibang la display sa laga atumna visitors ping kharaping na yang laga keeping hi sichin laga itung we kasakaja hi hangye da visually chigathai hi wibang ai na itumna ayar li display hai kami.
In its third edition, it envisioned to encourage the women of Manipur by giving them the platform to showcase their culinary skills and help turn their passion into profession. It also aimed at promoting indigenous cuisine using indigenous ingredients.
Aju kumwa tada itung we contestant ping hina tada qualified samme karda thaye atung me presentation nila food knowledge we maram nila kala itung we redefining indigenous cuisine gichi theme hui slogan hili tada besa laga atung we khareli shiman ga haya gasagaja itung me cuisine atung na khura laga katong we mangali present ga sai thel ga ningyang la ke ringphala ke Jena itumna atumna apong akali atam ka chungkali atumna dish presentation masagate atam doubts kale atam nila judges ping na itumna ngachon milaga atungwe na kadadam thamik thuich atum product ji khusok rakle gi itumna la data ngachon ne Jena atum nila general guidelines milaga chiwa azingli itum strict sala in a competition ni sang sak jene itumwe ingredients hi sijin laga khang atam ji tran itung li lingda klaya itung wi lui kwa ping farmers ping wi produce li atung value ji et sakami amanje sang sakami market li demand laing sakami teji ningrin la zange.
Over the span of 3 days, 3 different rounds of cooking competitions were held. As panelists, 3 judges, nutritionist Dr. Chang Mai Shatang, pastry chef Chingyo Xinglai, and former food writer Jenny Tingshung rated the food on its taste, presentation, authenticity, method of cooking, and hygiene.
One of the judges in this SheChef competition, and like on the first day, the participants have prepared the signature dish, and all the participants have prepared their favorite dish, and they prepared it so well. And for this competition, there are some criteria which we have to observe and we have to judge them. That is the presentation, taste, then the ingredients they have used, and the method of cooking, and the hygienic, and the recipe writing skill. And out of this criteria, we have given the marks also. This SheChef competition, their main intention is to promote the exotic ingredients and the indigenous tribal taste recipes. And the ingredients which they have provided here is like some of them are farm grown produce, and some of them are getting from the wild green leafy vegetables from the forest. Because this is one way of imparting the future generations to use the healthy recipes out of which we are getting from here, from our own place.
The competition was a fierce one as each contestant brought with them their aesthetic style and unique background. Atini Teresa of Mao, with her confidence, innovation and consistency, won the top chef position. The second and third place went to Kingwon Kashung Shimra and Themiao Chacho, the youngest and most promising contestant.
Live public nala itung we dignitaries ping nala chaka kiwi kahang sadan kahang we ne the importance mi lak maji sa mane ka chuwi season 3 hi liva kachong kana ra laga ra katom ye atum na ningashi kala atum ne appreciate ka saji yang laga itum li tada encourage tada encouraging sala kaya laga now da season 4 li la hilim thame de itum sarar ga chuwi sit ka sang le.
Cooking competitions like SheChef help refocus and repurpose the importance of regenerating rich indigenous knowledge on varieties of herbs and exotic food items. It also refocuses on women as the major carrier of indigenous food knowledge.